I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to monogram a backpack. On this channel you will find embroidery and applique tutorials as well as small business tips and tricks, so make sure you hit subscribe. So let's get started. In today's video I'm going to show you how to embroider a backpack. With a monogram, you can also use this technique for embroidering a name on your backpack. This backpack is from Target. A place to get wholesale backpacks would be Wholesale Boutique. They have a great line of back to school items, lunch boxes, backpacks, so make sure you check them out. I'll link some more blank companies below of where to source your backpack and back to school blanks. So you'll need your backpack. Today I'm going to be using some sticky stabilizer along with my frame. I think this is a 7x7 fast frame. You could do the same technique with a hoop. You would just put the sticky on your hoop and do the same technique. So what we're going to do today is called floating. You technically could hoop this, but it kind of is bulky and I really don't like hooping things. I like to float everything. So this backpack is perfect, easy to embroider. Sometimes you need to watch out and make sure there's no pockets or inner zippers. In that case, you may have to do a different technique like upside down hooping, which I'll be doing a tutorial about very soon, or you'll have to find a different spot. But this is the perfect spot on this particular bag, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to use my flexi ruler. I just love using that for finding center. I already found center with my disappearing marker. I'm going to be using some little, they're called wonder clips, or these little clips to attach to the side. I think that's it. It's super easy. You could do this with your hoops. Wholesale Boutique does a tutorial with their clamps. It's literally you just put your bag on the machine and it clamps it down. So that is super great, but you could do this with hoops, fast frames, or clamps. So let me show you how to do it. So we've marked our center point with our pen and ruler. Make sure your fast frame, the dip is down. And I like to make sure I have some overlap on the edges so I can make sure it sticks. Alright, now we're ready. I'm going to draw my center mark just so we make sure we find center. Fast frames have a little notch. Also going to be using some clips to clip it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on the edge. I'm going to find my center. And I like to use almost some type of seam if I can to make sure I'm centered. And that's it. Stick it on. Looks good. It's got a little, then I'm just going to take these little wonder clips and just do the sides. I'm not going to worry about the bottom. Making sure it looks good and centered. Okay, so sticky should be enough stabilizer for this, and we won't need a topper for this as well. So let's get it on the machine. Okay, I'm going to be doing a 3-inch tall monogram by 4 inches wide, and that'll fit perfectly in the space that I have. Alright, since I am using fast frames, I'm going to find center, and my mark is all the way down here. So I have to bring my frame down and find my center point. Okay, now that I've found center, let's trace. Alright, so it's all going to need this accent blue color, so let's get started. Off the machine. It looks great, and we'll take the clips off, peel the backing away, and you're done. It's so quick and easy with the floating method in your fast frames. You could also do the floating method with your hoops. So there you have it. So if you're looking for embroidery blanks that are easy to monogram, some backpacks aren't this easy. So make sure you check out Wholesale Boutique, as well as I'll link some other seersucker popular options below. Some of those do require tax IDs and storefronts, but I'll link them below if you're interested. And as always, please make sure you hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video, and comment below what you'd like to see, something else you've been wanting to know about embroidery or applique, and we'll see you next time.